So yo, how is up everybody? It's your main man again, PSPIPES. And today, meron tayong new helmet from Spyder Philippines. So, quick unboxing lang para mabuksan natin to at magamit na natin. So, mabilisan lang guys. So, meron ditong spare visor, clear. So, sa visor lang kita nyo na kung anong helmet to. Of reflection, Recon Plus. Spoiler. Actually, open na natin yung spoiler kasi lalagay na natin agad. Essential spoilers. Spoiler alert plus 5 HP. And the helmet. Ito pang meron, wala na. Okay, let's go. So, ito ang bago nating helmet guys. Recon Plus. Weehee! So, lagay muna natin yung visor para astig. Yun. So, tanggalin na natin yung plastic. Mga kaibigan, the most satisfying moment in unboxing videos. So, tinted siya guys, color black. Akala ko nung una is Recon 2 din siya, pero Recon Plus siya. Actually, wait lang guys, compare natin. So, ito yung Recon 2. Recon 2. So, daming gas-gas, no? Diba? Sulit na sulit yan. So, I think the difference nila is almost same naman. Okay. Yung design ng vents is magkaiba. Diba? Yes. Magkaiba. Ito. At yung visor, naka-pinlock ready, no? Parang dati ito. Wala dito. Recon Plus. At ito yung Recon 2. Subok na natin to guys. If okay ba? Yung fit. So, good song fit. Snug fit. Ito pa pala. Yun natin tanggalin. Parang plastic. So yun, very nice fit. One thing I like about Recon na helmet ng Spyder is yung wind noise niya is very good compared sa iba na model. Although may kabigatan siya ng konti. So medyo mabigat-bigat ng konti. Kung gusto niyo magaan, meron din Recon Plus na carbon. Yun, yung magaan. So yes, ito nang gagamitin natin for the next few vlogs, motovlogs. Keep on supporting my channel, like, comment, and subscribe, and support Ilonggo Motovloggers. So share mo na din yung video na to para masaya. Till my next vlog, bye!